Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the hottest action cameras of the year, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This little powerhouse is packed with new features, incredible upgrades, and some smart design changes. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. DJI has really stepped up their game with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's compact, lightweight, and feels solid in hand. The build quality is impressive, especially with its rugged design. You can tell this camera is meant for adventure. Now, one of my favorite features here is the dual screens. Yep, you've got a large front screen and a back screen, both with touchscreen capabilities. This is a major win for vloggers or anyone who wants to easily frame their shots. No more guesswork. And speaking of touchscreen, the interface on the Osmo Action 5 Pro is smooth and super intuitive. DJI has clearly put thought into making the UI easy to navigate, even if you're new to action cameras. Alright, now let's get into the stuff that really matters: video quality. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro supports 4K video at 120 frames per second. That means you're getting super crisp footage with the option for buttery smooth slow motion. I've tested it out in various lighting conditions, and let me tell you, the footage is sharp, detailed, and the colors really pop. Low-light performance is also impressive. Thanks to its upgraded sensor and advanced HDR capabilities, it handles shadows and highlights remarkably well. If you're someone who loves filming late-night cityscapes or capturing moments around campfires, you're in for a treat. For anyone wondering about stabilization, 𝐓𝐘𝐒 didn't disappoint. The RockSteady 4.0 technology on this camera is absolutely insane. It effectively smooths out shakes, making it perfect for high-action shots. Whether you're mountain biking, skiing, or just running around, the footage remains incredibly stable. Let's talk about battery life. DJI claims up to 2 hours of 4,000 recording time on a single charge, and from my experience, that's pretty accurate. Plus, the camera charges up quickly, so you can be back in action in no time. For long adventures, you might want to grab an extra battery or two, but for most people, this will be more than enough for a day out. Another standout feature here is its waterproofing. Straight out of the box, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is waterproof up to 10 meters. And if you add DJI's waterproof case, you can dive as deep as 60 meters. It's perfect for underwater photographers, divers, and anyone who loves capturing beach adventures. Now, let's talk about a few extras. The Osmo Action 5 Pro also has voice control, which is super handy for hands-free recording. And with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing your footage is a breeze. You can transfer files to your smartphone or tablet and start editing right away. One thing that's really cool for tech-savvy users is DJI's Mimo app. You can control your Osmo Action 5 Pro directly from your phone, adjust settings, see a live preview, and even go live on social media. It's a game changer for those who want to share their adventures in real time. Of course, no product is perfect. A couple of things I'd like to mention. First, while the audio quality is good for an action camera, it still has room for improvement if you're looking for broadcast quality sound. Adding an external mic adapter would be a good idea for anyone who prioritizes audio. And finally, the price point. The Osmo Action 5 Pro isn't exactly cheap, but for what you're getting, I think it's worth every penny. If you're serious about video quality, stability, and usability, this camera checks all the boxes. So, here's my final verdict. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality, stable footage on the go. Whether you're a vlogger, adventure seeker, or just someone who loves documenting life, this camera won't disappoint. It's packed with features, it's easy to use, and it's built to handle the elements. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tech tips. And if you have any questions about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, drop them in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next one.